What is going on, boys? We back. We in my car this time because we just pulled out of Walmart, and we with Jason.
Actually, we didn't pull out of Walmart. We're still in the parking lot.
Well, we're in the parking lot of Walmart, and we got Jesse. And today we're going to be reviewing and taste testing the limited edition orange vanilla Coca-Cola. All right, we just bought a lot of Coca-Cola.
Could not read that. Look, see? Where's the camera? There it is. Orange vanilla. It's backwards because my camera's retarded.
It won't be backwards on the video. Retarded.
Well.
Anyway, so yeah, this is limited edition, and it's they had to stop selling in May or something like that. So, you know, if you want it, you better get it.
Do some ASMR up against the camera. I meant open that.
Oh!
Shake your hand.
All right, ready? All right.
Fuck!
Why were you shaking it and then just open it?
You're dumb.
All right. Anyways, smell test. I smell orange, and like you get the you get the normal Coca-Cola taste, or not taste, but smell, and with a little bit of orange at the beginning. Jason just drinks it.
I've had it before. I don't care. Oh, my nose.
Why do you swallow so loud?
I don't.
You definitely do.
You're just deaf. I'm gonna kill you. I hate that noise. There's some dude like just parked right next to us, just watching.
Just stare at him and just drink the Coke.
That's a pimple.
You don't even have anything to clean it up.
Do you have napkins? Here, we're gonna just take you real quick.
Don't
Hey
stop,
guys.
don't stop. This is good.
He spit all over his steering wheel.
Come on.
Watch the language.
Freaking
It
idiot.
tastes
Hold
good
this.
though. All right, it's like
Even though you
Coke.
got pop over my phone. Here, I'm just gonna take you. See, I'm gonna get you guys nice and ready. Why does it look dumb? There we go. Oh yeah, we rocking the Fortnite shirt.
Fortnite.
Oh my, it's hot in this car. Roll down the window.
Danny P. I am the one that sang the Fortnite Danny P anthem.
Probably should turn on the radio.
Copyright. Oh, was that not?
Shut up!
Now they can hear us. We're closing them.
There's nobody around us.
All
All right.
Anyways,
Can I give a review? Alright, it tastes like Coke with orange vanilla.
I don't think it's that good. It tastes like Pepsi. That's why it's not very
Did
good.
you just use
That's why it's
the
not.
P
That's
word
why it's
in this
not.
car?
That's why it's not very good.
because it's not Pepsi. Is that what you're saying?
no P word?
I said it tastes like Pepsi.
If you
I like
drink
Coke more than
Pepsi,
Pepsi.
you're awful.
You guys are just stupid. You guys didn't get my joke.
All right, Pepsi is horrible.
You didn't get my joke.
Did you expect me to get
Yeah, no, it just. I don't think it tastes good.
it tastes. Hold on a minute.
I'm gonna be 100. A regular Coke tastes much better than this.
You taste the orange first, and then you get like a Coca-Cola taste. I don't really taste any vanilla at all.
I taste vanilla.
The Polar Pop version at Circle K is better than the can version.
No,
Just
it's
gonna say
definitely
that.
not.
It definitely is.
I get a lot of vanilla.
Okay, I'm getting vanilla.
I don't get like any Coke though. Like I just taste.
Oh,
orange.
you gotta shake up the flavor.
You're so dumb. You're so dumb.
It's everywhere. Oh.
Oh my god.
I'll be back.
I'm the only one to not do something stupid yet. You gotta shake up the flavors.
I hope you can hear the sound it made. What is this? He just got glass in his pocket?
What? That's a simple glass shot. You spit all the stinger. He just spills Coke all over himself.
Where's he did this from?
He's just looking at receipts. He's got tiny tissues.
Good. Jason's coming in
Jesus.
clutch with the tissues.
What is this?
That was in
you
your
got up
pocket.
and that was just sitting there.
Why is there glass in my pocket? That's gotta be from the pool house.
Oh, obviously from the pool house.
Yeah, because there's another window.
It's pretty good. I wouldn't say it's better than normal Coca-Cola though.
Yeah, no. Not bad.
I
Fuck.
don't throw it in my car.
Well, I heard you.
You literally
Give me some
spit
fun.
all over your car and you're like, don't throw it.
This is gonna
That's gonna be all sticky now.
You know, 5 Minute Crafts use Coca-Cola as a cleaner.
That's because they're retarded.
What?
And
Did
they
they actually-
clickbait.
Yeah.
No, but it's not mixed with
It's
something.
gonna make my steering wheel so sticky.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god.
Jesus.
Oh, it smells. I almost said a no word. Do you think Mr. McGaffick still subscribed?
I don't know.
Hopefully not.
I don't think he is.
He was at one point.
Was he?
Because he wanted to see the ghost pepper video, but then Bart never went through with it. He waited till 200
Cookies.
Anyways, it's pretty good.
Hey, everyone, we're gonna play a prank on Bart. Unsubscribe.
Don't do that.
Unsubscribe when you watch this video, and then a day later resubscribe.
Or just stay subscribed so you don't
Or just
forget.
don't resubscribe.
And put your post notifications on so then, like, you never miss a video.
Or do that.
I guess that works too.
No, I was gonna wear these pants for the rest of the day. Where'd my coat go? Oh yeah, I left it in my truck. Wait, did I? Yeah, why is there glass?
Just, you know,
Cookies are so good.
It's everywhere. You forgot here, and you forgot my phone. These are for my bloody noses, just letting you know.
he's got it's okay, so Jason gets a lot of bloody noses, so he's got a
Really?
whole thing of tissues in his truck for bloody noses.
I'm so sticky. More sticky than after I after I go slide kickball after.
Anyways, that's orange Coca-Cola taste that orange vanilla Coca-Cola taste slash review. I mean, it's pretty good.
Where'd my coat go?
Oh.
I'm dumb. You got a huge pimple right here.
Right here.
Yeah. I'll get it for you. Stop. Come here. I'm sorry.
Starts licking it. Pops it with his teeth.
Like I said though.
You have the N word on your window.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
I don't.
Yeah, you did.
What's the N-word?
N word.
Nest.
Oh, I thought it was.
I thought it was it. Nope.
Cut it out. One ugly Chevy
retarded.
driving by. What is that? It's literally a Dodge with a freaking Chevy logo on it.
Alright, so it's pretty good, like I said.
Fuck Chevy!
Send this video to Kate and edit that out.
No, that's staying in. I think Jackson's gonna edit it.
I think I heard it. Maybe, I don't know. Alright, the taste. Okay, I taste the orange, and then the vanilla, and then the Coke. It goes in like that order, you know, like orange, vanilla, Coke. Yeah.
Damn.
Or you just taste it all at once.
It all makes sense now.
No, you definitely get the orange hit.
Yeah.
Drunk.
And then the vanilla. I don't taste like Coke. Like, I don't know.
You taste like a little hint of Coke at the end.
No, it just tastes like
The
orange
after-
vanilla carbonated liquid.
Oh, Christ. And the aftertaste is like vanilla. So. What are you staring at?
Some old lady trying to open her door.
Alright, so that's gonna do it
was a good video. God damn it.
I hope y'all enjoyed. And yeah, take it easy.